before we go even any further down that path, let's just get out of the way what exactly it is Elead Network and your program is bringing to the table, and then we can talk more so about practical applications of said program. So, for all of y'all on here who aren't Chime clients, aren't familiar with Chime, quick 90-second pitch. We're the IDX CRM platform of the industry that has taken artificial intelligence really by the horns and used it to help grow our clients' business. So whether or not you are using online leads or only work with the sphere of influence or what have you, you can upload your entire database into Chime, and you're going to be able to manage any and every lead source. And Elead Network is a trusted partner of ours. I know we have some mutual clients who are very happy with their service. And so that is who Chime is. But more importantly, let's talk about what Elead Network is doing today.
Yeah, thank you. So we've tried to put together programs that are really straightforward and simple. We don't have startup costs, setup fees, long-term commitments. It's month to month, and they're based around what we call the raw lead. So if you buy a package that's 100 raw leads a month, you're getting 100 raw leads every month. Those leads, you could get 200 raw leads or 300 raw leads, but that is a fixed guaranteed number that you're going to get each and every month. And those leads will go into our ISA team to help qualify and reach people. And if we get somebody who's ready to go to an agent, we'll try to warm transfer it to you. Or if that's not possible, we're going to send the information into your Chime account, what the conversation was and what they're looking to do. And you can give them a call back as soon as you can. It was really for us, and also want to mention, if some people out there have their own ISAs already, then we have you can just buy the raw leads. So there's a little bit different pricing, but we don't sell the raw leads to somebody who doesn't have an ISA already. So you're either using yours or using ours. And sometimes even if you have your own ISA, you still may want to use ours so that you can keep yours focused on your other lead sources.
Guys, I think that's a super crucial point. So this is a company that's in business to make money, and they will not accept your money if you don't have an ISA or won't use their ISA. Because what have you learned? Why did y'all make that decision?
Yeah, it's just you end up with a lot of churn when you're just sending raw leads straight out. It just doesn't work for people that don't have the right process in place to reach these people and maximize the opportunities.
No, that's a fantastic point. I'm glad you brought that up, because there's too many people who think their solution is just to buy more leads and not actually call the ones they already have.
Right.
So,
Yeah.